Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals. And it is for the week of February 17th through the 23rd. So here we go. I'm going to get started. Today, I'm going to be using Wildly Chic from Live Love Posh. There's this one collection in here, which is a winter one or like a cozy one. So we're gonna use those girls or dolls in my planner. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm gonna start with this really beautiful washi, and it does have a backing. So this is what it looks like. And I thought that kind of matches the whole vibe. So we shall see how it turns out. So for right now, I'm going to be adding strips of that. And then this really beautiful washi from Live Love Posh on top. So bear with me as I do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just going to cut where it goes. And then we'll apply it like so. And yes, I messed it up, but it's okay. At least washi is pretty repositionable. So yeah, this washi is so old, I don't even know where it's from. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a strip of the same thing on the other side. I know a lot of people don't like to have symmetrical stuff. Well, I kind of enjoy it, so everybody has their own thing, right? And this is mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some boxes as always, and then we're gonna do some checklists, and then some decorations. So that is the plan. I am like, that's driving me nuts, that little sticker that was sticking up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful lady with the cheetah print collar right there, and I'm gonna add a whole bunch of boxes. So I need a box for every single day, but I also need checklists. So let's just figure out where those go, and then we can go from there. So this is a happy planner stencil that I'm using. It is meant for a classic size planner, and that's exactly what I use. So let's keep going. So a couple more, obviously, for every day. Especially when I'm working, I try not to overwhelm myself. So I usually do about 5 to-dos per day. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to be done that day, but it does mean that I can write in those and complete them when I have a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and add these cozy things in here. Like this beautiful chair, this girl in a full fur. Look at these boots. Okay, they're not cozy, but they're gorgeous. I'm gonna add more boxes too to make sure that I have a main event for each day. Okay, so yeah, boxes are almost down. I need 2 more. I need one for Saturday and one for Sunday. And now we can decorate. I still need those little ones for work schedule, so I'm going to place those. And then we can focus on all the stickers. Look how crooked this is. Never fails. Okay, so one more on the top, like so. And then I'm going to start adding more decorations. Like, look how pretty this notebook with like a tray is. This is just, the whole thing is so stunning. I can't decide which ones I want. Look at this bathtub. Like, I would have never guessed that there could be a cheetah bathtub, but so cool. And of course, a fireplace with another chair because it has to be cozy in my planner. And now we get to do smaller things. So bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and put something in my sidebar so I can mark things for this week. And yeah, let's keep going. So I'm going to use these smaller things like books and things like that to fill in spaces. I love a full Plan With Me spread. So the more stickers, as long as they look balanced, the merrier for me. So that's where I am. I'm gonna go ahead and add the leftover strips into my boxes. So bear with me as I do that. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep adding because I think these are so awesome. Maybe one more. Have the skinnier one, so I'll do that. And then one more on here. I just think it adds something different to the boxes so they don't look the same as everybody else's. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and it seems to be working. Now, I'm gonna add these smaller items into the spread, like bows and stuff like that. There's lots of little, like almost trinkets in here, which I want to use. If you don't have this book is fantastic. Like, I am loving it. This is not the first spread I made with it, and it won't be the last. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And now I want to add the same washi to the top to kind of finish off this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna cut it in half. Yeah, so we're gonna cut it in half and then do half and half on the top. So bear with me as I do that. You can always cut your washi like in half lengthwise too. You can use a cutter, or you can just do what I do and place it down and then cut the edge off. So that's how I've been doing it. And then the edge will be the second part of the washi that will go into the second page. It's not as precise, but I like it. And that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this one. I can't wait to plan with you again soon, and have a great day. Bye.